Oh, I'm just kidding. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. Let's do this again. What's up? Stop it. What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're actually going to be installing the RAGO Fabrications ditch light brackets, the ones that go on the hood for the ditch lights, of course. If you guys are new, you guys might want to be subscribed because we're going to start doing some installs on my 2018 Toyota Tacoma. And for today's video, we're actually going to be doing a giveaway. And also stay tuned because next week we're also going to be doing another giveaway, and this is really going to come in handy. Well, that giveaway is really going to come in handy for those off-roading moments, believe me. So stay tuned. Like I said, subscribe, and
bye.
I'm going to give you a little information on today's giveaway, so bear with me. And if you want to skip through it, I will put a timestamp below to the actual install if you want to skip the giveaway. Sorry to take a break on the install, but for today's giveaway, I did partner up with Yord. They did send me a free watch to go ahead and try out and review and give away to you guys. So if you do want to go ahead and win one of these watches, I'll show you what's inside. It's pretty nice. They include like a microfiber towel. They include the preservative for the watch because it is a wood watch. Check this out. This is a nice looking watch. So this is, of course, the watch that I chose. It is made out of wood. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and give you guys the details. Alright, so pretty much if you want to enter to win one of these watches, you just go ahead and go to the description box below. The giveaway does end next month on the 8th. So if you want to go ahead and enter right away. Alright, so in my opinion, this is actually a pretty nice watch. I did pick this one specifically for me. I do have my own coupon code, Jesse Rizo. So it is in the description box below. It's $25 off and free sizing. Believe me, if you pick one of these up, I'm sure you guys will love it just like I did. I don't know, it's pretty nice, and you guys know I love my watches. I'm always wearing them almost in every video. So go ahead and enter in the giveaway to win your own Yord watch. It will be in the description box below. Good luck, you guys. Let's go ahead and get to the install. So if you guys did enter into the giveaway that I just explained to you guys in the last clip, good luck to you guys. And like I said, next week we're going to be doing another giveaway for anybody that does off-roading. Believe me, you want to enter into it. So stay tuned for next week, and like I said, subscribe. For today, we're going to be installing the RAGO Fabrication ditch light brackets. These ones do go like so, and I will show you exactly how to install these. There is 2 bolts here. I'm going to show you the easy way on how to remove them. You could even do this by yourself. I'm a little guy, and I could do this. So don't doubt yourself, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, and the easy way that you won't have to realign your hood later on. So let's go ahead and get to it. Yeah. We're gonna go ahead and start. So for the right passenger side, you want to go ahead and grab the one without the R. The one with the R is going to be for your left hand side. So we're gonna go ahead and put this one down for now. Next, you want to go ahead and get your 12mm socket. Alright, so for starters, you want to go ahead and remove first the bolt that's closest to the grill side. The bolt that's in the back closest to the cab, you want to go ahead and leave that one alone for now. So let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, so the reason we don't remove this other bolt is because if you remove both at the same time, the whole hood is going to get misaligned, and then when you go to put it back together, it's going to be really hard and your hood might not close, and it's going to be hard to realign it. So that's the reason why we leave at least one bolt, and it makes our life easier by removing this top one. So we're going to go ahead and put this in a secure spot and put our wrench down as well. So once you grab your bracket, and now I have the bolt in my hand, you're going to go ahead and slide it under right here. Alright, so as far as the windshield wiper fluid line, you don't have to remove it, just put it to the side. What I've done here is I just tightened this enough where I know when I loosen the bottom one, it's not going to move my hood. So I have the bracket off to the side right now. And what I'm going to do next is remove this bottom bolt, and now we're going to go ahead and slide the bracket in and reattach it and tighten everything up, and we should be good. So now I've removed the bottom bolt, so you see the hood did not move at all, so that's a good thing because it's going to keep my hood aligned. So now we're going to go ahead and twist the bracket to the side, and now we're going to reinstall this bottom bolt. Alright, so now that we're nice and tight, we're gonna go ahead and get close with the camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I've done.
Nice and tight.
Alright, so as far as the windshield washer tube, so all I did was move it to the side. So first I started by removing this top bolt. As long as you can get the bracket in, I removed this top bolt first. I put the bracket, retightened it, and then I left the bracket off to the side. And then this bottom bolt, I then grabbed, unscrewed it, and then I grabbed my bracket, brought it back in, and re-screwed this bolt. So the finished product is pretty much this is how it looks. So it never touches anything, as you can tell. Nothing's touching, nothing's rubbing. You can go ahead and open and close your hood with no problem. Alright, so it's still aligned, nothing's misaligned. There's the bracket. Oh shit. Alright, so now that this side is installed, we're going to go ahead and start with the left side, and then I'll show you once all this product is done. So like I said, we're going to start now for the driver's side. That one's the one that's going to say the R. So this is your driver's side bracket. So we're going to go ahead and remove this first top bolt. Do not touch the bottom bolt once again. Do not touch it. Just remove this top one and we'll be good.
But you just touched it.
Shut up, Nestor. So we've removed the first bolt. I'm going to go ahead and put this down. Grab my bracket, bring it around. We still haven't touched the bottom bolt, so just keep that in mind. So once again, the reason I do it this way is so I don't misalign the hood. So I know someone's gonna ask, even though I already mentioned it like 30 times. So that's why I'm mentioning it again.
Why do you do it again?
Oh jeez. Now I'm gonna go ahead and slowly remove the bottom bolt. Make sure this top bolt right now as the install is being done, make sure it's secure enough for you not to move the hood, but also enough, give yourself enough space to be able to put this socket in. It's stuck in the socket. That's not good. Harbor Freight. I'm just kidding. Oh damn, that's really not good. Can you pull that? Now that I have my bolt out, I'm gonna go ahead and put the bracket and align it correctly the way it should be. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put my bolt back in. Super simple, easy. I have the bracket in all secure where I want it exactly. I just tighten up the bolts and it should be good. What do you think about that? No, I'm just kidding. Alright, so now that it's all installed, I'm going to go ahead and show you from this angle, so that way you can see the bracket and see that the hood still even closes while doing this side. Alright. See? It's all aligned.
Rizo.
Alright, so it was a super easy install. Literally probably just took like 10 minutes. 10-15 minutes, super simple. Like I said, I did it by myself. You guys saw that, and I'm a little guy. It was once again the RAGO fabrication ditch light brackets, and you guys want to stay tuned because in next week's video we're going to be installing the actual light that goes from my sponsors Auxbeam. So stay tuned for that. And also we're also going to be doing another giveaway next week, so that's another reason for you to keep on watching and maybe subscribe. This is another sticker. Remember I was telling you guys last week, send me stickers. This sticker is going to go on my sticker wall. If you guys like this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.